Hazel with WTI, and today I would love to share with you something I love about my living room, and it's this wireless charging station. If you're like me and really enjoy products that have more than one function, you're gonna love this charging station. It's not only super cute since it's bamboo made, it's very sturdy and stylish, but you can literally charge your phone, your watch, and your AirPods at the same time. Not only that, but you can also use it as a side lamp, which is pretty cool to have it next to your bed just in case you want to read. In case you were wondering, this stylish dock does not come with the Apple charger, but the unique thing is that you can assemble it. And you're gonna see the wooden grooves that you can literally put the cord all around where it's not noticeable and it doesn't look messy. You can put this in your office or anywhere in your home. It looks super cute and stylish. This would literally make the perfect gift for her or for him. Having this multifunctional charging station relieves you from so much stress since you don't have to worry about losing your chargers since it's all in here. I really love it, and that is just my point of view.